Hello guys, welcome to Physics Hub. So I am discussing this Laplace transform and we have decided to complete the whole Laplace transform in several parts. Till now I have uploaded two parts and this is the third part. In the first two parts we have discussed about some basic introduction to Laplace transform. We have given you some of the properties of Laplace transform and we have also solved a few problems. In this third part, as I told you in the at the end of the second part that I gave you some problems and I told you to solve that, and in this part I will be solving that problem. That problem is a very crucial problem and a very important problem. I think this will help you to strengthen your numerical ability in Laplace transform. Before we start, let me just tell you guys, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and also like the video. Now without any further delay, let's just start. So what problem I gave you? The problem read like this. So I'm just writing the problem for you, then we'll go for the solution. Okay, this is a very standard problem and the problem reads like this. If f of t is the inverse Laplace transform of f of s. F of s is given by s by s square plus 4 whole square plus 1 by s square plus 9 whole square, then the value of f of pi is, okay, you are given four options. The first option being pi by 6, second option being pi by 9, third option pi by 18, fourth option pi by 24. Okay, so these many options are given to you. Now as you can see in the problem, that if it had only s square plus 4, then you could have easily utilized the conventional Laplace transform formula, but here you have an extra s at the numerator side and square is there in the denominator. That is making this problem a little bit difficult. For this problem you need to have some basic knowledge. Okay, you need to have an idea of the Laplace transform of some function. So let me just give you the solution. How can we do this? So first of all, let us try to tackle this. So what will be your f of t? F of t is nothing but Laplace inverse of your f of s, you can write. It means taking the inverse Laplace transform of this function s by s square plus 4 whole square plus taking the Laplace inverse transform of 1 by s square plus 9 whole square. So we have two terms, firstly this term and secondly this term. We need to find out them separately. So let us consider the first term first. ये वाला term पहले लेते हैं. L inverse of s by s square plus 4 whole square. So let us try to generalize it. So let's say we are calculating the Laplace transform of t sine 80. Okay, t sine 80. What will be the Laplace transform of this t sine 80? So as per the formula, x to the power n sine ax, x to the power n f of x, that is minus 1 to the power n equals to 1 here, so minus 1 to the power n dds, okay, of f of s. Here sine 80, what is the Laplace transform of sine 80? It is a by s square plus a square. Fine. So this will give you how much? So derivative of this function is 2as, minus sign will cancel with it. So 2as divided by s square plus a square whole square. And you can see it is in the form of this. So using this, with the help of this Laplace transform, we can easily write the inverse Laplace transform of the first function. Okay, so the first thing is done. So from here, what you can write as per this, therefore you can write Laplace inverse of s by s square plus 4 whole square. What you can write? So you can see this is s by s square plus a square. By putting a equals to 2, so 1 by 2a will come here extra, 1 by 2a, because here only a we have s, but here we have 2as, so 1 by 2a, so s by s square plus a square, right? Okay, here you write a square, general formula we are writing s by s square plus a square whole square, so 1 by 2a and t sine 80. Okay, t sine 80. Right? So this will be the Laplace transform of this function. Next, we'll go for this one, Laplace inverse of 1 by s square plus 9 whole square. So to do that, we are calculating the Laplace transform of sin 80 minus 80 cos 80. Okay, let us try to check what will be the Laplace transform of this. So first of all, Laplace transform of sin 80 minus Laplace transform of 80 cos 80. Okay, so what is the Laplace transform of sin 80? It is straightforward, a by s square plus a square minus Laplace transform of t cos 80. Okay, so a we can take outside, a is a constant, and Laplace transform of this t cos 80 will be given by, here also, minus 1 to the power n, means minus 1 to the power 1 d ds of cos 80. Cos 80, the Laplace transform of cos 80 means f of s is s by, okay, s square plus a square. This we know. This will give you a by s square plus a square, and as you can see, what it will give you, minus a. Now here we have s on the numerator as well, so it will be like uv. Okay, u into v. First of all, take this one, so derivative of s is 1, so minus 1 by s square plus a square, and in the next term a minus minus plus will be there, and 2s will come, to 2s into s, 2s square divided by s square plus a square whole square. It will come on like this. So as you can see, this a by s square plus a square, here also you will get a by s square plus a square, that is making is 2a by s square plus a square, and minus 2a s square divided by s square plus a square whole square. So are you able to understand what is happening here? Actually, our target is to bring a by s square plus a square whole square. Okay, so there should not be any s related term. That is why we are doing this struggle. And if you evaluate this, if you take the LCM, so s square plus a square whole square, and this will give you how much? This will give you 2a s square plus 2a cube. Okay, and minus, and this is 2a s square. So you can see this 2a s square dependency is on, and you are end up getting twice a cube upon s square plus a square. Okay, so look, the solution is a little bit lengthy. As I told you, this is a very special problem. This can be, you can take it as a reference problem, okay, textbook problem. 2a cube by s square plus a square whole square. So from here, what you can write, we can write Laplace inverse of, let's say, 1 by s square plus a square whole square. What you can write? You can write it 1 by twice a cube into, we have started with this, so sin 80 minus 80 cos 80. Okay, I mean, I may be covering the right hand portion, but I'm just telling you 1 by twice a cube sin 80 minus 80 cos 80. So we have found out this. With the help of this Laplace transform, we will be able to find out the first term. With the help of this Laplace transform, we will be able to find out the second term. So let us see what result we get for as an ultimate result. Okay, so f of t that we need to find out, that is equals to Laplace inverse of s by s square plus 4 whole square. This one was the first term. The second term was L inverse of 1 by s square plus 9 whole square. So in the first place, you see what is the formula of s by s square plus 4 whole square? S by s square plus 4 whole square. So this is 1 by 2a t sine 80. 1 by 2a t sine 80. So 1 by 2a. So 2 into 2. Okay. T sine 80. 1 by 2a into t sine 80. तो क्या हो जाएगा t sine 2t plus this one 1 by 2a cube, a is 3 here, so 3 cube sine 80 minus 80 cos 80. ठीक है, this will be the value. So this will become 1 by 4 t sine 2t plus 1 by 54 sine 3t minus 3t cos 3t. Okay, now if you calculate f of pi, then what will you get? You get pi by 4. Okay, 1 by 4 sine pi by 4 sine 2 pi. Okay, okay, sorry, I have made a mistake here. This will be 1 by 4 into t sine 2t. T is pi, pi sine 2 pi plus 1 by 54 sine 3 pi minus 3 pi cos 3 pi. So what will you get? You will get sine 3 pi is 1, and this one will give you cos 3 pi is minus 1 minus minus plus 3 pi by 54 means pi by 18. So it is matching with option C, pi by 18. So you can see this problem is not so difficult if you know certain things. If you know that the Laplace transform of t sin 80 is this, or Laplace transform of sin 80 minus cos 80 is this. If you know, if you have the idea about this, then it is very easy. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you. So I hope this type of problem will strengthen your numerical ability in Laplace transform. I hope you got some benefit from this problem. And in the next part, we'll be discussing some other things. Before I end the video, let me just look at you can prepare for your upcoming CSIR-NET exam with Unacademy. You can take Unacademy Plus subscription using our referral code Physics Hub, and you can get a lot of benefits. Okay, I teach there, and my approach is basically I precisely give you the concept of the concerned topic, discuss relevant mathematical formula, do their analysis, relevant problem based on the topic, including previous year questions. Homework and assignments are also given to you. So this Aspire batch is going on, and other than this, this course is going on, complete course on thermal and statistical physics in the morning, Monday to Friday. And this course is going to start from July 14, complete course on nuclear and particle physics 8 AM onwards, Monday to Friday. And this kind of fee structures are available, but this is going to change from 1st of July. So if you are planning to take Unacademy Plus subscription, you can take it using our referral code Physics Hub. Okay, hurry up, price hike will be effective from 1st of July. So this is the last day to take it. So price hike उतना ज़्यादा नहीं बना, but you can take it. Okay, thank you. Give this video a thumbs up and see you on the next video. Thank you.